Hello, and welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix a missing keyboard on your Android phone using simple steps. First, go to the Settings app on your phone. Now, before we continue, remember that every Android brand has different placement of settings and features, so you may need to find these options according to your mobile phone. Now let's start with the fixes. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button on your device, then tap on Restart or Power Off. If you choose Power Off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. This step often fixes the issue because it clears temporary memory bugs that may stop the keyboard from appearing. Fix 2. Force Stop the Keyboard app. Go back to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then scroll again and find your keyboard app, such as Gboard or any other keyboard you are using. Tap on it to open the app info screen. At the bottom, tap on Force Stop and confirm it. This will close the app completely and refresh it. Fix 3. Clear the keyboard cache. Stay on the keyboard app info screen. Scroll down and tap on Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be corrupted and causing the keyboard to not show. Thanks for watching.